I'm going to be talking about this Viltrox K90 bar light. I'm actually using it to light myself up. It comes in two. It's got so much cool features, and I'll tell you all about it. Check this out. This bar light is really neat. So this is Viltrox K90, and this is a 30-watt light. It's very strong. I'm lighting myself and I'm at 25%, so this light is really neat. You normally use bar lights for creative purposes. You could use this on top and act like a fluorescent light, put this in the background, you could stand it up. Having multiple in your scene will make your music video look really cool. It's got a lot of creative ways to use this. It comes in a nice durable case, comes in two. It comes with a strong magnet that allows you to attach your light, lock it in. So if you're a videographer and you need creative lights, definitely hook yourself up, and you could use this to stick it to the magnet right here. Super strong magnet. To just stick this onto like metal walls will give you a creative lighting for sure. So this battery at full 30 watt will last you 70 minutes. I normally don't keep this light at 100%. Like this light is at 25%. So obviously it'll last me for hours at a time. You could connect it with your phone app. You could use the little menu that's in the back to change colors and so on, but it's got a lot of special effects menus. So when you turn on the Viltrox, I got both of the light connected into one app, and you could use this app to have special effects like different colors. This is a party light. You get the police, you got lightning flash, paparazzi, just a handful of cool lighting effect in case you need that for your short film. And you could also go into the color mode, and it's got every color that you could possibly think of, and you could just have fun with it and get yourself some creative photography or creative videos with this kind of bar light. So definitely, I got the discount code link below, and if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support.